All doing today? So we have an absolute special treat for you. I think this is the first time I've ever kind of gotten costume. As you see, I got my cowboy boots on and my black hat. So what we're offering up, we just got this finished, and we're just upping our restorations to the highest quality. This is a 1950s Sandy Kiddie horse ride, plays on a dime, 10 cents. When we got this in, it was an absolutely beautiful core. It is beautiful inside as well as out. Like always when we do full restorations, when it came in, we completely knocked it down. We sent everything out for sandblast, brought it back, and went to our paint shop, and we started our process. Now, what we did when we started with this is we got some pictures of some really, really super beautiful show horses. And then we wanted to make this as close as we could in color to them. So we did a candy apple, root beer, brown. It's actually a light metallic paint on it. So the first thing we did was we got it all ready and primed. Then we shot our base coat. Then after we shot our base coat, Jeff, just come up here. I just want to show them a little something while they're looking here. After we shot our base coat, then you see we hand put in the mane here. You see how beautiful? Now that's under the clear coat. As well as back here, we did it on the tail, okay? So the tail has these beautiful faint hair in it. Now, as well as, back up a little bit, we'll go back to the back up. So as well as when we did the socks, we did the socks in white, and then we color sanded it off so that it looked as though it was natural and correct. Then after all of that was finished, we clear coated the whole thing, and then we color sanded it and buffed it out. As well as we did the coin box and pole in the same color. Clearly, we bought a brand new, appropriate saddle for it. This is right off the original Sandy saddle, as you see it studded. Down here you have your aluminum castings, which have all been replated and chromed, and we did this in a beautiful black high gloss box or base on the bottom. The other thing we did that these didn't necessarily come with is we added music, and we'll get to that in a moment. This also is a aluminum horse. It's not a fiberglass horse, it's an aluminum horse. The thing runs great, looks great, is great. Coin mech's gone through, works on a dime as it should. Just a beautiful horse. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to ride this for you. What you're gonna like is the music that we put in it. All right, folks, so here we go.
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride.
Hang on, hang on. Can't hang. We put Bonanza in it. You tell me that ain't cool. This ride gives you 1 minute for a dime. We put the Bonanza music in it. One of the other things is that once we painted this, our objective was to get it to look like a real horse. So when you look at this, as you're looking at it right now through the video, all of the angles change colors, just like a pelt on a regular horse. So it has the light and the dark, even though it's all the same color because of the pearl, it just shows absolutely beautiful. There's nothing more that we could do to this horse. We put every penny in it. These are really getting highly sought after, especially the real nice clean ones. As you see, you can see the angles. This is all one color, but it looks like a real horse. I don't know what else to say about it. It's probably one of the prettiest things we've put out so far, and we are continuing to put out this quality of work because we love doing it. So anyway, when you want a nice horse, let's get it. This is it, folks. This is top of the line.
Attention parents.
Attention parents.
Leave your child unattended.
Look at that. Ooh, look at them colors. Super cool.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.